good. We're good. We're good.
So we got SDX coming through. SDX coming through on winner's side. iModerz through losers.
Yes. In grand finals here at MISFIRE. And
what time is it, man?
It is 8 o'clock.
That's not bad at all.
No. So here at Spencerport, New York.
We've run like 5 events today just for Smash 4.
I know, yeah, it's wild.
Yeah, we really started moving once everything got going.
Yeah.
Anyway, iModerz looking to avenge
his loss earlier.
Yeah, he had sort of a rough 3-0. I mean, but we saw what he did to Draxel. He looked very clean.
Looks very, very clean, composed.
That being said, SDX is no Draxel here. SDX
exactly,
is a monster.
He's an absolute beast.
A fucking goon is what he is.
I mean, yeah, in a way, he is. He just comes in, he just hits you a lot, and it hurts.
Then you die.
And you die, exactly. So, just charging up some Shadow Ball here. It's pretty even off the start. Let's see where they go from here. Shadow Ball comes out, gets reflected. It's kind of dangerous. Dangerous game to play to reflect anything back at Mewtwo.
He gets the footstool disable.
He gets the footstool
finally
disable. Wow.
I've seen him miss that like a few times today. He finally gets it.
And he gets it at a pretty opportune time. Grand finals. Big time to do it. So jabs now coming through from MISFIRE. Eats that Shadow Ball. That's an easy 23% right there. So looking for the up smash here. Didn't get it.
You don't even want to stick.
He got side beat. Ooh, Nair, up smash. Stop, gone. So, SDX now on his final stock of the game.
Yeah.
Just sometimes you see down tilt and you're like,
those down tilts are wild spooky.
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
What do I do here?
It's not easy to get in against.
Yeah.
Mewtwo's down tilt is one of his best moves.
I would say it's quick. It's got a lot of range. It's punishable by no means is it not, but I mean like it's tough.
Hard to punish.
Yeah. Okay, so he's gonna get hit.
Good combo starter. Oh, big down air there. And that's to be expected when you go off stage against SDX with that Fox stuff.
Yeah, and he.
Yikes.
Yeah, that's a brutal way to end that one as we go into game 2 now.
I like seeing a good spike. You want me to be real with you?
Oh yeah, it feels good. It feels good in the soul, right?
Fox needs a spike.
Yeah, he does.
That'd be cool.
I think his dare needs to be like.
Little encouragement there from your boy Lamp in the crowd. Shout out Lamp.
Shout out to Lamp. Yeah. So we're in game 2, final destination. I think we're going to see this a lot. This map is going to be used quite a lot. Oh, wow. Catches him with the... Wow, Jesus. Chill out.
Oh.
Chill out.
Oh, wow. iModerz did not
out.
tech that fair. He did not take that fair,
he did not take that fair.
Holy
and that's going to take his stock right there. And now...
That was quick. That was like...
That was aggressive.
That was like aggressive jazz. That was like a jazz solo. They were just like bop, 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 you know,
and just hammering it out. Yeah.
And then finally with a big drum solo at the end, and iModerz couldn't tech the drum solo. You always got to tech the drum solo.
You got to tech the drum solo. That's just how it goes. So,
anyways,
iModerz looking for. I mean, he's playing pretty well right now on the stock. He's looking for that. Oh, if he gets that back air, the dare, nice tech.
Good tech.
So, I mean, he's in kill percent, I'd say, right? If he gets the nair or down air, perhaps. Drills him in, but he's gonna eat that. And wow!
Yo, that back air! Oh my God!
Please.
SDX with an evisceration of iModerz in game 2. Oh my God!
Kid, take a deep breath.
Jesus Christ!
He can't help you now. He cannot help you now.
Oh boy! How do you stay composed after that?
It's hard. I mean, like this is where boys become men.
These are both, well, in the eyes of the law, these are both still boys.
Yes.
They're young men.
Yes, they're young adults. So we're going in here, game 3, back on.
You're not an adult. You're not a young adult until you can drive.
You're right, actually. Actually, I think technically, okay, iModerz.
iModerz be driving sometimes, but real low key though.
Yeah, real low key.
Like don't tell the cops.
I think he's got a permit.
Yeah, he's from Niagara Falls though. That's a lawless wasteland.
It is.
It's like Raccoon City.
Zombies everywhere.
Ooh.
Okay. And
SDX just sort of having his way with MISFIRE off stage. Like he really can just do whatever he wants.
Yeah,
you could tell he's worked on these edge guards for a long time.
Absolutely, yeah. He knows, and like he just calls him out on some things, and he just kills him. Like I don't even know how else to describe it. He's just
all right, good tech there.
murdering him. So he's gonna come in. Nice tech. He's gonna get the jabs through. Oh, misses the back air. Gets the up tilt back air there from MISFIRE. Looking for something, anything. Getting up from ledge.
Oh, okay. Not where he wanted him to be.
No.
Who are you forward smashing? Whomst. I would like to know whomst.
So he's going to go in and get a dash attack and the up air. So MISFIRE now has a lead here in game 3.
Yeah, MISFIRE's showing some signs of life here. He's like, you know what, Zambo? I know you'd probably rather see the 3-0 because you want to get off commentary because your legs are hurt because of this chair. But what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to elongate this for as long as possible.
Yes,
and then I'm going to make it so that we have to wait forever to go to Spencerport Hots, which is where shout out Spencerport Hots. Yo, we should get them to sponsor a tournament because they're good.
They get a lot of traffic. All right, so here he goes. Wow, nice little drill down to the dash attack after the up tilt. He is just. This is a new Xander. This is an angry Xander. He's gonna get spiked.
Oh boy, SDX is back too. Yeah. God, Final D looks so weird on the bottom. You ever look at it?
Yeah, it's like a weird spiky.
It's spiky,
tree.
But it's also got like weird, like little fingies.
Yeah, it's very strange. But iModerz.
It's got veins. What the hell?
So iModerz coming up to recover here.
I mean, he's got the lead here, but oh wow, okay. SDX.
Good thing he was below him.
Dude, I've never seen SDX off stage without his jump. That boy.
Yeah.
He saves his jump like
forever.
Like, yeah, forever.
Literally forever. Okay, so
iModerz not getting the forward smash there again.
He's looking for something. He keeps looking for the neutral get up, and whenever he looks for a jump, he tries the back air, and both times he just always guesses wrong. It's really unfortunate. So
yeah, it's hard.
It's very tough. I mean, like, sometimes you really gotta hope you're in the head of your opponent, and right now he is not. Gets the up tilt, the back air.
Wow, I was expecting up air, but nice little how do you do from iModerz there, and he's got some life in him.
He does got some life back in him. He's got one game on him now. Let's see what he can do.
Every game he wins brings me further and further away from Spencerport House.
Does it hurt your soul?
I don't know, but the guy with the tag Moist.
Yeah.
It's written in very large letters on his name tag. It's very intimidating.
It's very intimidating. The word moist, a lot of people don't like either.
I think that's why that's his tag.
It's a good tag for that reason. I like that. So
anyway.
Here we go into game 4. And SDX.
2 fairs. Ooh, all right. Tried to go for the downer. Tried to make it spicy.
Okay, he's going for the fair footstool, but he's coming right.
Almost. Ooh. Shout-outs to Magnet Hands. Thank God for Magnet Hands.
Yes, of course.
Oh, Magnet Hands aren't going to save you there, kiddo. No. They don't make a magnet strong enough for that.
Nope.
Unless you have like an MRI machine on your hands.
So, yeah, that's brutal. He's only got 10% on him. It's going to be a real tough fight from here on out.
Yeah.
I mean, you have to play
just gotta, yeah, not even perfect, but he's got to go on and do it.
Yeah, and those fairs aren't going to do it. Okay. So, he's going to get a fair right there. And SDX trying to recover, getting back. Stuck on ledge for a bit. Back throw. Okay, a little fair from iModerz, knocking him straight up in the air there. Looking for the nair, didn't get it, rolls into the other nair.
Wow,
SDX,
good tech chase
nice
there.
Tech chase, yeah. Looking to catch him with the nair, cannot do it. Does right there, though, gets the down tilt, gets the up air, back air. Off stage now.
SDX is not. Oh wow, he wanted that. He wanted that big time. SDX is just trying to end this right now. He's like, give me my money so I can go home.
Yeah, but let's see what iModerz has to say about it. I mean, still not dead yet.
Well, all right.
Okay, wow, I like
the idea. You have the % lead. Like, why not, dude? You have such a big lead. Like, why not just see if
throw it out there, right? Maybe he'll run into it.
It worked. It worked last set they played.
It's true. So he's just charging up the shadow ball. He looked to grab him right there.
Okay, fair.
Nair coming out now, back air.
Dude, Fox's fair coming at you seems like kind of aggressive, but like how strong can all those little kicks actually be?
I know, right? So the back air does come through, and both characters now, last stock, although iModerz, very high %. It's the grab, back throw. Dash attack just barely misses. Fair doesn't connect. I'm going to guess a fair might end this. There it goes, and there it goes. A fair does end it
goes.
on the left side. SDX takes it 3-1 over iModerz. Apparently 4. So
That's it.
That's it.
Tournament's over, boys. Back it up. Let's go home. Oh, yeah, we do. All right.
Oh, boy.
Good stuff to SDX there. Good stuff to iModerz. These guys are both going to go a little bit richer than when they came in.